Hello everybody and welcome to another video. It's me, the Subtle Ostrich, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace your internal SSD and hard drive inside of your laptop. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we're just going to get a Jorist one over here with standard bit size, honestly. So first off, what I'm going to be explaining you is how to remove the hard drive, and also I'm going to be explaining to you how you can replace it with another one if you want like a SSD to replace a hard drive, or if you just want to data wipe your computer, so you know, just for to sell your laptop. So yeah, first thing that you're going to do is that you want to unscrew all of the screws inside of it. It's pretty basic procedure. As you can see, this thing doesn't have all of the screws already screwed in. That's mostly because this is a pretty old computer and I want to sell it, so that's why I'm going to open it up and remove the hard drive from it. So just put all the screws off to the side because you're probably going to need them later on. And yeah. Another thing to keep in mind is that this might be easier for me to open than yours if you haven't opened it before. That's simply because it's already like broken in or something, and so it's easier. Yeah, and also make sure not to miss any screws, because if you try to open it with a screw, you might tear it or something. Yeah. So yeah, by the way, make sure to like and subscribe. It actually helps the channel a lot. And right now we're trying to reach 200 subscribers. If that's possible, it helps motivate me to keep making content like this, especially considering that this is the first video that I've actually recorded with a phone in a while, and this one is not coming out, so I'll probably just put that down. Yeah, but just gonna try to open it. Best way you can probably try to open this is with a plastic pick. I've already opened it up so many times that it's basically already openable from like little latches like that. So there. And also the disk drive kind of came out. So just remove the backside part, and now you have the laptop completely opened and exposed in 3 minutes. So usually what you want to do if you're going to spend a lot of time here is unplug the battery, but we're only going to spend like a little bit on time, so we'll just leave it there. And immediately we can see that all the components are pretty well wound up. The CPU, Wi-Fi card, fan, RAM is under this thing for some reason. I don't really know what that is. It's probably a cover from all the heat or something. Battery and speakers and hard drive. This is what we're going to be focusing on. Now, if you have a new laptop or something that hasn't been opened before, then you're probably going to have like something holding it in place, but I lost the thing that was holding it in place, so you can kind of just like wobble it out and remove it. So like that. So this is the hard drive that my laptop uses. It's pretty cool. Actually, I think this is another one, or it just doesn't have the thing. Yeah, but as you can see, once you remove the hard drive that's already there, you can replace it with another one, and then install another. You have to install the operating system onto the new one, especially if it's a new drive. But yeah, I'll link a video down below if you want to learn how to like use a new thing from another YouTuber, or if I do it myself. So I'll put that over to the side, and now you don't have a computer that has a hard drive anymore. So that's basically going to be it. Now just repeat the steps where you put back on the plate, or you put back on the back plate. I just removed the DVD drive because it'll be easier. And then just do this. This is already like a pretty old computer, so that's why I'm being so, not really very nice to it, but it's fine. Computer's fine with it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to just leave them down below, and I'll make sure to answer them as soon as possible. With actual information about if you have a question about something like an M.2 SSD, I can give you a reference over to how to install an M.2 SSD. Stuff like that. By the way, comment what you want me to do next, because I have time on my hands because of the hurricane in Florida. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed it in 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Have a good day, everyone.